Hello friend, welcome to Rajni 007 Maths tutorial. Today my topic is I'm going to discuss on square of any digit between 1 to 1000. First I'm going to give you a trick of a square of any two digit which lie between 10 to 99. Let's example 43. We have to find the square of 43. What is the tricks for that? First, take the square of 4. What is the square of 4? 16. What is the square of 3? 3 into 3, 9. But we will take double digit. Always take the double digit. If you are getting single digit, you have to add 0. 9. Next step, what is the second step? You just multiply this one. 4 into 3 and double it. 4 into 3 is 12. And after double of 12 is coming 24. You have to just write that number after leaving the one digit and add it. This is our final answer. The 43 into 43 is coming 1849. This is the trick for the square of any two digit. Let's take one more example. It will be more clear. Like 69 square. What we will do first? First take the square of 6 and write it here. 60 into 6, 36. What is the square of 9? 9 into 9, 81. Then multiply it, both digits, 6 into 9, 54. And then double it. 54 into 2 is 108. Just you have to write after leaving the one digit. You have to write that digit after leaving the one digit below that. And now then you have to add it. So 69 into 69 is coming 4761. If you do practice of this, you can find the square of any two digit within a second. Now we will learn square of any three digit, which is lie between 1112 999. How we can find the square of any three digit? What is the trick for that? Let's see. Let's say example first 117. We have to search what is the nearest 100 for that. It is 100. 100 plus 17 is 117. Then what will be our next step? We will first, whatever we are adding extra, we will write first plus 17 here and minus 17 here. And whatever the number we are subtracting and adding, we will write that square root of that number. The 17 into 17 is 289. Right? And then what will be our next step? If we 117 minus 17 will come 100 and 117 plus 17 will come 134, right? Then what will be our next step? We will divide it by 100 because it is 100. 2 digits we have taken, we will take 2 digits from here. And whatever the left digit, we will add it to here. We have taken here 100, 2 digit extra. That's why we are taking 2 digit here. And what are the left digit? We will add it here. 134 into 1 is coming 134 plus 2 because 2 is we have to take it here. It's coming 136. Final answer is 136. We have taken 2 digit here 89. So in this way you can find the square of any three digit. Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example 548. So what will be the nearest 100 for that? 500, right? So what will be our next step? 500 will be our nearest 100. Then we will do it plus 48 here and minus 48 here. And what is the next step? Whatever the number we are subtracting or adding, we have to find that number. 48 square. 48 square you can find from the above method which I have already told you earlier. By this method, if you find 48 square, it will come 04. 2304. Then what will be our next step? 548 minus 48 coming 500 and 548 plus 48 coming 596. Then we have to divide by 100. 2 digit we are taking So we have to take these 2 digit, and this 2 digit will be add here. So 5 into 596 is coming 2980. 23 we have to add it here. We will add it here. That will come last 3003. The final answer is 3003, and this two number we have taken, we will add it here. So this is the square of 548. Let's take one more example like 778. What we will do? It will be nearest. What will be the nearest? It will be 800, right? Plus 278. Here we will do minus 78, and 78 square we will find by our earlier method. It will come 6084. What will be the next? 778 minus 78 will come 700, and if we add it, it will come 856. Then we have to divide by 100. We are dividing by 100. We will take 2 digit here, and the rest number will be add here. 856 into 7 come 5992, in which we will add 60. 6052. The final answer is 6052, and 2 we have taken here 84. It will add here. So in this way, if you like my video, please like it and comment in my comment section, and please subscribe my channel to get more maths video. Thank you.